Good morning, good day, and good afternoon. Thank you. Thank you for giving me chance. Oh, hanggang no? Privilege. Ayan, no? Opportunity. It is my pleasure to give some few words. And so, I salute to my co-partner, co-workers in the Lord. No one else, Reverend Pastor Paul King. Thank you and congrats, no? And also, of course, to all your leaders and workers, no, in All Nation Church. So I wanna say again, congrats, and I salute to all of you to celebrate the goodness of God in 21 years journey of All Nation. And then, only I can say, your labor, you know that. Your labor is not in vain in the Lord. And you have rewards is in heaven. No, wow, nice. Oh, gumatore. No, nice. No, and all of you, to living sacrifice, you have rewards in heaven. Because you do it for the Lord, for God's glory. Because the foundation of ministry, your ministry's character, Christ-likeness. And your motive is to love God, and your purpose to glorify God, no? And your measure of ministry is living sacrifice. That's why I salute you, no? And also your authority in the ministry is from God to submit God and to obey God. That's why some workers and leaders follow you because you follow God, no? So the double honor. So only today, and then I can say, to God be the glory, and thanks God, and thanks to all of you. And thank you once again for always inviting me. And always inviting me times of revival conference or anniversary as a guest speaker or performer or preacher. Thank you. I hope if God's remind you of me, remind my name in your mind, in your heart, to be a channel of blessing, to be a part, and then to do so, wow, no, yung umachare, no, okay, so I'm willing to be a part as a channel of blessing for God's glory. Thank you, and once again, congrats, and I salute, and then I enjoy, also to celebrate your All Nation 21 journey, to celebrate all the nation. Thank you. God bless you. It's me, Kuya Ace, Brother Ace, and Pastor Ace, Evangelist Missionary. Pastor, in behalf of our members, leaders, and workers, SGI Minchon Filipino Community Church. God bless you. Bye-bye. See you next time.